Hey, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Winnie's Way. Now, today we are doing a tour. And no, it's not a condo tour, it's a house tour. And wait till you guys see this place. Oh, let me turn the camera. Oh, wait, no, before I turn the camera around, it is steps away from a restaurant. Oh, yes, and down the street from the beach, literally steps from the beach. You would not believe this spot. All right, let's go. Okay, so here we have the front entry of the yard, and walking in is just so nice. You can hear the birds chirping, and look how big this backyard is. I know, did I say backyard? Look how big this front yard is. Wow. Retractable gate. The driveway, the sidewalk, well, side entrance, well, side area. They are doing some gardening over here. There's I guess a koi or fish pond here as well. I don't see any fishes in there. I just see murky water, but yeah, that's it. And for those plant lovers like myself, you have this beautiful desert rose, actually a couple desert roses, and front porch that wraps around. There's also a grill. Oh, got distracted by the beautiful orchids. More desert roses. And a fruit tree in the side yard. I'm not going around to the back because I don't know what kind of creatures may lie around there. This room is, I guess, being utilized as a storage room. They have a mini fridge with a deep freeze. Different places travel to. Look at these floors, guys. They're so beautiful. A restaurant across the street, open dining. Oh, okay, you can see here. This is the entrance of the restaurant. Bathroom over there. Third. Then here are literally steps from the beach. Oh, look at this beautiful beach day, guys. Seems to be high tide. This beautiful beach view. I should say, look at this beautiful secluded beach view. You see the kitty hiding under the car. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.